Hello, my name is Nathan Vanzani, and I'm a middle school teacher in Southwest Iowa. And this summer, I helped develop an app for the Montgomery County Conservation Board through a STEM program in the state of Iowa. Now, what I'm going to do right now is kind of help you as an educator understand how to create an app. So, if you want to bring this into your classroom, hopefully this will give you kind of a head start. The program I used was called AppMakr. This and the reason why I use this because it has a lot of friendly functions, and it also has a free version as well. So you don't have to pay for it. And I'll kind of show you what it looks like for the free version opposed to the paid version right now. Uh, so here's my phone screen. The paid version, you'll get an actual icon on your phone like this, and it will be in the Play Store. So if you type in, for example, Montgomery Conservation, you can download an app off the Google Play Store, and that's the paid version. The free version looks a little bit different. It will be, let's see if I can. There it is. Okay, it'll look more like this. You can see how it's on a website. It's not on an icon on a phone, or you can't really download this from the Google Play Store. But you can save this as a bookmark on your phone, and if the student really wanted an icon on their phone, they could create a tab on their phone that's a link to this website. So you could kind of make it an app on their phone screen, but the reason why the Montgomery County Conservation Board decided to purchase this is strictly for convenience factor for campers and camp visitors. Um, the paid version is a lot more convenient to download and kind of use, but for your purpose as an educator, the free version will work just fine for your purposes. Now, the functions I use the most on this is this website tab right here, this HTML page, and down here there is a documents tab right here. Most of these are one of these three functions. I'll kind of show you how this all works. So, for example, this DNR page, um, it is a website link. So I just change the title, and then I change the icon by clicking here and say choose an image, and I just uploaded an image that I downloaded from a website, and then that's what it looks like. So this is the same as this right here, this website's link. I just change the picture and change the title, and then from there you can just add links. So you just type in the URL here and say the title, and so it kind of looks like this. So I was endangered species, and I put the DNR their link right here to their page. All right, so and I did the same thing here for their websites tab. I put their My County Parks links on here along with their Facebook page. If you're an educator, you could put the school website on here, and most schools have a Facebook page. You could link up onto here. The park locations, I did the same thing. This is just a website link. Now, how I did this is I went to Google Maps and I typed in the latitude and longitude, and there are a lot of apps you can download that will find your latitude and longitude. So you just hit save, and then you just type that into Google Maps, and now you can copy this URL over to here, and then you just put the title saying Hucklebarney Park, Bonds Landing, or Walnut Tree, whatever you want to say, and that can go right here. So if you want to utilize the locations tab, you can. Right here, this is a documents tab, and how you can utilize this is you can literally just upload any document that you want. What it kind of looks like on my phone is, I'll get this over here, if it loads. Okay, now I clicked on the trail maps, and here are all these documents. These documents are GPX files, which are essentially just files that you can that link up with your GPS, so it can tell you where at on the trail you are. So if I click on this one, you can see here's a trail I mapped out, and then if I would click on this icon right here, it will actually track where I'm at on the trail. So that's what a GPX file is. But other than that, you can upload PDF files You can upload pictures. So yeah, here's a picture of some walking trails that I tracked. You can upload any picture, virtually any document on here. And then you can see I put a title and then a little description underneath. So if you wanted to put, maybe if you're doing like a tree unit and every student has a different type of tree, you can put like walnut tree and put the student's name underneath if you want. How that looks, you go here and then you go to edit, and then this is the name. So if I was using that same example, it'd be like walnut tree, and then the description would be maybe the student's name if you want, or the group name, or the class. So maybe it's science period 4. You can do it however you want, or you can just delete the description completely if you'd like. So yeah, that's how you would use the website links and the document. The HTML, it's even simpler than that. All you do is you just get an HTML file, and you can just type right onto here anything you want. I would suggest doing a document instead, because if you accidentally delete this, it's gone. I had that happen a couple times. I was typing it up, and my computer glitched out, and it was just all gone. If you do a document, you don't have to worry about that. And the app guidance is the same thing. This is an HTML file. They have just a couple of things to note. They have a photos button here, but what this is it wants you to link up like a Flickr account or a Pixar account, and then so I did that here, and then you just link that up, and then you'll have the pictures from that account. Now that I think about it, that probably isn't the best way to do it. I would recommend going the document route, so that way you just have to upload a picture. So this, for example, is just a picture. I think that's the best way to go there. Aside from that, I was going to have a list of all the standards that this hit, but it can hit virtually any standard that you want it to, from middle school through high school, maybe even younger. Yeah, it can hit any standard, on any content area, whether it's reading, where you guys have all your different types of book reviews, like that. You can actually put a live chat on here. You can put, there's some other, so, uh, yeah, the poll function would probably be really useful in a classroom. Did you like this book? I mean, things like that. But like I said, this can be used in any type of content area. It also hits nearly every single 21st century skill that I saw listed. So I would recommend trying to go this route. Another nice thing that has on this free version is you can scan you will get your own URL code, and or QR code, sorry, and then you can actually scan it. And what this looks like on a phone is like this, and then you can click open, and it will open up to your app. So there's a lot of cool functions you can do, and virtually anybody can have access to it. So I'd kind of be careful, especially if you're going to be doing the contacts. If you're going to make it accessible to everybody, I'd highly recommend not putting students' names on there. But aside from that, there's a lot of great things you can do with this. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm going to try and create another video to show you how I made like the trail maps and things like that. But for the most part, this should kind of give you a good start on how to create your own app. Just let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave my email in the description. But thank you for watching.